Dr. Peter Lysam the Manipur University na Chemistry da Doctor of Philosophy PhD degree award kusin narakpagi damakta charitable program ama mongsangai all age home da pangthokre thoram aduda sengbek alu tilo dinner plate amadi towel na singba kaya Dr. Peter na donation tauki loinana saklen amasu sinki